In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Ultra Ego in Dragon Ball Models 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You have to meet two requirements in order to transform into Ultra Ego in Dragon Ball Models 4. In this video, I'm gonna showcase them both. For the first one, you will need to be on extremely low health. It doesn't need to be literally 1 HP, but you will have to go very low. So you can tell a friend to hit you with a specific attack until you are very low, or just keep playing until you naturally get low, and then try to buy some time so you can transform. Another thing is that you will need maximum Prism power. So after you get low HP, you will also need maximum Prism power. And if you meet these two requirements, you will be able to begin the transformations. The reason why I say transformations is because first, you will have to go into Super Saiyan Blue Evolution, so SSJBE. And then after you do this, you can go into Ultra Ego. So first, get low HP, make sure you have maximum Prism power, then transform into SSJBE, and finally Ultra Ego. So if you follow these orders, you will eventually be able to transform into Ultra Ego. And after you do this, your moveset will change, you will be able to see and use all of the different moves, and you will stay in this form. So you will have a damage boost, damage reduction. The stamina drain will be different with unique ki blasts. So after you acquire maximum Prism power, try to get as low as you can. You can coordinate with a friend or just try to play normally until you get low. And then do the following transformations: Super Saiyan Blue Evolution and then Ultra Ego. And if you meet those requirements, you will be able to go through both transformations and stay in Ultra Ego. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Ultra Ego in Dragon Ball Models 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.